Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance book that contrasts the philosophies and habits of Robert Kiyosaki's two father figures, his biological father Poor Dad and his best friend's father Rich Dad. The book aims to teach the principles of financial literacy and independence. Chapter 1, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In this chapter, Kiyosaki introduces his two dads. His biological father, who was highly educated and held a good job, represents the conventional mindset about money. Despite his education and job, he struggled financially. On the other hand, his best friend's father, who had less formal education but was an entrepreneurial genius, became wealthy through smart investing and business acumen. Key lessons: education is important, but financial education is crucial. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is fundamental. Chapter 2, The Rich Don't Work for Money. Kiyosaki recalls his early lessons with Rich Dad, who taught him that working for money is not the path to financial freedom. Instead, making money work for you through investments and passive income streams is key. Rich Dad emphasized the importance of seeking opportunities to create and grow wealth rather than relying on a steady paycheck. Key lessons: don't be motivated by fear or greed. Focus on learning and gaining experience to find financial opportunities. Chapter 3, Why Teach Financial Literacy. This chapter stresses the importance of financial literacy. Kiyosaki explains that the lack of financial education is why many people struggle with money. Schools teach how to read and write, but they don't teach how to manage money. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki to understand financial statements and the differences between assets and liabilities. Key lessons: an asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. Financial literacy involves understanding how money works and how to make it work for you. Chapter 4, Mind Your Own Business. Rich Dad encouraged Kiyosaki to start minding his own business, which means focusing on building and managing personal assets. The lesson here is to invest in assets that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, bonds, and businesses, rather than merely working for someone else. Key lessons: keep your day job but start buying real assets. Focus on acquiring assets that provide passive income. Chapter 5, The History of Taxes and the Power of Corporations. Kiyosaki discusses the history of taxes and how the rich use corporations to protect and enhance their wealth. He explains that the wealthy take advantage of tax laws and corporate structures to minimize taxes and protect their assets. Understanding tax laws and using legal entities to your advantage is a key part of financial strategy. Key lessons: the tax code is more favorable to corporations than to employees. Learn how to use corporations and legal structures to reduce taxes and protect assets. Chapter 6, The Rich Invent Money. Kiyosaki explains that the rich are not afraid to create opportunities and take risks. They use their financial knowledge and creativity to identify and invest in opportunities that others might overlook. Rich Dad taught him to be innovative and to see opportunities where others see problems. Key lessons: opportunities are everywhere. You need to develop the financial intelligence to see them. Taking calculated risks is essential for creating wealth. Chapter 7, Work to Learn. Don't work for money. Kiyosaki advises seeking work for the skills you will learn rather than the paycheck. He emphasizes the importance of acquiring skills in sales, marketing, communication, and financial management. By continuously learning and developing diverse skills, you can increase your ability to create wealth. Key lessons: focus on acquiring skills rather than earning more money. Continuous learning and personal development are key to financial success. Chapter 8, Overcoming Obstacles. This chapter addresses the common obstacles people face on the path to financial freedom: fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. Kiyosaki explains that overcoming these obstacles requires self-discipline, a willingness to learn, and the determination to stay focused on your financial goals. Key lessons: conquer fear by taking action and learning from failures. Avoid cynicism and skepticism that prevent you from seeing opportunities. Chapter 9, Getting Started. Kiyosaki provides practical advice on how to start your journey to financial freedom. He emphasizes the importance of setting goals, staying focused, and being patient. He also suggests surrounding yourself with experts and mentors who can provide guidance and support. Key lessons: start small and gradually build your wealth. Seek out mentors and advisors who can help you learn and grow. Chapter 10, Still Want More? Here are some to-dos in the final chapter. Kiyosaki offers additional tips and action steps for those who are serious about achieving financial freedom. He encourages readers to make a commitment to their financial education, start investing, and continually seek opportunities to grow their wealth. Key lessons: make a commitment to your financial education. Take action and start investing to build your asset column. Detailed summary and key takeaways. The importance of mindset. Kiyosaki's two father figures embody different mindsets. Poor dad, despite his education, believes in job security and working hard for money. Rich dad, however, focuses on financial education, investing, and making money work for him. The book emphasizes the need to adopt the right mindset towards money and wealth. The concept of financial independence. Financial independence is the ultimate goal. Kiyosaki stresses that depending solely on a paycheck makes you vulnerable. Instead, building a portfolio of income-generating assets provides financial security and freedom. The role of education. Traditional education systems prepare students to be employees rather than entrepreneurs or investors. Kiyosaki argues that schools should teach financial literacy, such as understanding balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow. Financial education empowers individuals to make informed decisions and pursue wealth-building opportunities. Assets versus liabilities. A core principle of the book is the distinction between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki defines assets as things that put money in your pocket, for example, rental properties, stocks, businesses, and liabilities as things that take money out, for example, mortgages, car loans, credit card debt. Building wealth involves acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities. The importance of cash flow. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out of your pocket. Positive cash flow means your assets generate more income than your expenses. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of investing in assets that produce positive cash flow to achieve financial independence. The power of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a recurring theme. Kiyosaki advocates for creating businesses and investments that generate passive income. He explains that being an entrepreneur provides more control over financial outcomes compared to being an employee. Understanding taxes and legal structures. Wealthy individuals use legal structures like corporations to minimize taxes and protect assets. Kiyosaki discusses how the tax code favors corporations and provides advantages such as tax deductions and expense write-offs. Learning how to use these legal structures can significantly impact your financial strategy. Learning from failure. Kiyosaki stresses that failure is a part of the learning process. He shares stories of his own setbacks and how he learned from them. Fear of failure should not prevent you from taking risks and pursuing opportunities. The value of mentorship. Seeking guidance from mentors who have achieved financial success is crucial. Mentors provide valuable insights, advice, and support that can help you navigate the complexities of building wealth. Continuous learning and adaptability. The financial world is constantly changing, and staying informed about market trends, investment strategies, and economic shifts is essential. Kiyosaki encourages readers to be lifelong learners and to adapt to new information and opportunities. Taking action. Knowledge alone is not enough. Taking action is vital. Kiyosaki urges readers to apply the principles they learn, start investing, and actively seek ways to build their asset column. Small steps taken consistently can lead to significant financial growth over time. Real estate investing. Kiyosaki has a strong emphasis on real estate as a means to build wealth. He shares his own experiences in real estate investing and highlights the benefits, such as cash flow, appreciation, and tax advantages. Real estate is portrayed as a tangible and reliable asset class for generating income and building wealth. Overcoming obstacles. The book discusses common obstacles to financial success, such as fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. Kiyosaki provides strategies to overcome these barriers, such as setting clear goals, staying disciplined, and surrounding yourself with supportive and knowledgeable individuals. The importance of goal setting. Setting clear, achievable financial goals is essential for staying focused and motivated. Kiyosaki encourages readers to define their financial objectives, create a plan to achieve them, and regularly review and adjust their goals as needed. The role of creativity and innovation. Wealthy individuals often think outside the box and find creative solutions to financial challenges. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of being innovative and open to new ideas in your pursuit of financial success. The impact of giving. Kiyosaki believes in the power of generosity and giving back. He suggests that being charitable and helping others can create positive energy and attract more wealth. Giving can also provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose beyond financial success. The influence of social and cultural factors. The book touches on how societal and cultural norms can shape our attitudes towards money. Kiyosaki encourages readers to challenge conventional beliefs about money and to think critically about the financial advice they receive from society, media, and family. The need for financial planning. Effective financial planning involves budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Kiyosaki provides practical advice on how to create a financial plan that aligns with your goals and helps you achieve financial independence. The significance of networking. Building a network of like-minded individuals, investors, and professionals can provide valuable opportunities and resources. Networking can open doors to new investment opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship. The journey to financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom is a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Kiyosaki shares his own journey and the lessons he learned along the way, inspiring readers to embark on their own path to financial independence. Conclusion. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a foundational book on personal finance that challenges conventional wisdom about money and provides practical advice for achieving financial independence. Kiyosaki's lessons on financial literacy, investing, entrepreneurship, and mindset are designed to empower readers to take control of their financial future and build lasting wealth. By adopting the principles outlined in the book, individuals can develop the skills and mindset needed to achieve financial success and independence. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Subscribe my YouTube